Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Auto Lifting LDS for low clearance areas on your DREAME X50 Ultra. If you click on three dots in top right corner, then floor cleaning settings, you can find Auto Lifting LDS, which is the sensor that lifts and it can lower that radar to clean low clearance areas, and you can click on it to set it to off. Security coverage, so it will enter a low area slightly higher than the body for cleaning, or extreme coverage, so a robot will enter a low area that is flush with the body limit for cleaning, but it may cause scratches on the top of the machine. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.